Philippians chapter from verse 10 with Amplified. And this, so that I may know him experientially.
So that I can know him experientially,
ukuze ngazane
not
naye
theologically.
hayi ngokwencwadi
Experientially.
ngazane naye ngqo.
Let's go.
So that I may know him experientially, become more acquainted with him, understanding the remarkable wonders
Understanding the remarkable wonders
ngiqondisise le imanga eziqophile
of his person.
of his presence. Is it person or person? Person. Of his person.
obuntu bakhe.
You understand the what? The presence of his person. You understand ubukhona balo muntu
balomuntu
wakhe.
wakhe.
Hayi yena phela, hayi ubukhona phela, u-understand nobukhona balo muntu wakhe. Who is that?
ngubani ke lowo?
Christ.
nguKristu.
So knowing Jesus and the presence of the person,
Was
of his person, meaning Christ.
okusho ukuthi uKristu ke lo.
Knowing Jesus until you know the person who
wazi
was in
uJesu
him.
uze wazi lo muntu obu
Christ. The
uKristu
presence of God.
ubukhona bukaNkulunkulu.
Akafuna ukwazi uJesu kuphela. Uthi ngize ngazane nalo muntu wakhe. Go on.
Becoming more thoroughly acquainted with him, understanding the remarkable wonders of his person,
The remarkable wonders of his person. Who is this person
ngubani kanti lo muntu
who comes with these wonders?
ozana lezi manga?
You get it now? Now Paul wants to know more of Christ.
uPaul ufuna ukwazi kakhulu ngoKristu.
You get it there? Go on.
understanding the remarkable wonders of his person more completely.
More completely.
Kakhulu
More
ngokuphelele. Ngokuphelele.
some know half.
Abaningi bazi nje ingcosana.
But Paul says, I want to know completely.
uPaul uthi ngifuna ukwazi kuphelele.
Not half.
Hayi okuncane.
Not only the resurrection, not only his death.
Hayi
So I
ukuvusa
must
lokhu.
know the cross.
ngakho kumele ngazi
I
siphambana.
must also know what happens during the course of the cross.
Ngize ngazi nokwenzeka ngalesikhathi sesiphambana.
While going to Golgotha.
Esaye eGolgotha.
What happens along the way?
Kwenzekani endleleni?
I must know that.
Kumele ngikwazi
The pain, the beating,
ubuhlungu nokushawa,
the mockery,
nokudelelwa.
lokaflelo,
Hey,
carrying the cross.
ethwele isiphambano.
You begin to know
Uqala
Christ
wazi
and his person.
uKristu nomuntu wakhe.
Christ and his person.
uKristu nomuntu wakhe.
Go on.
And in that same way, experience the power
Hey, now the power.
Hey,
Now
man.
what? The power.
Sengamandla ke manje.
I want you to get the mystery now.
I
Not
did.
experiencing the power without understanding the person.
Hayi ukwazana namandla
The
ngaphandle
person
kokuqonda
has
lo
to go
muntu.
through pain.
Lo muntu kumele adlule ebuhlungwini.
The person must be weak.
Kumele abe
The
buthakathaka.
person must be
Kumele
beaten.
ashawe lo muntu. Hey,
So I want to know the presence of his person.
ufuna ukwazi ubukhona balo muntu wakhe. Hey,
Go on.
and in that same way,
In that same way,
experience the power
experience the power.
of his resurrection.
Uyabona ke manje. Now sikhuluma nge-resurrection. So many want to sasa kuzobe uvukile kusasa.
Eish.
But where is the person?
uphi lo muntu?
Where is the person? Have you experienced him in the person
Ingabe
of his
umazile
presence?
nala ebukhoneni balo muntu.
The pain,
Ubuhlungu
the crucifixion.
lokubethelwa.
You can't go to the resurrection power
Angeke uye emandleni
without
okuvusa
passing
ngaphandle
in
kokudlula
the presence of his person.
ebukhoneni balo muntu wakhe. Ah,
In the presence of his person.
ebukhoneni bomuntu wakhe.
You'll hear it. Go on. You'll hear what Paul says when you continue.
Experience the power of his resurrection, which overflows
Uh-huh.
and is active in believers.
Is active, born. It's overflowing and also active in believers.
Kuyachichima futhi kuyasebenza kubazalwane.
It means ikhona ebazalwaneni.
Yeah.
Already none. The power of resurrection. But you can't know resurrection without knowing pain.
Ubanjwe
Without
ukuthi
knowing
ngeke wazi
death.
ukuvuswa ngaphandle kokwazi ukufa nobuhlungu. Hey,
But you've got resurrection power.
vele kuwa amandla okuvuswa.
But for you to know that you are resurrected,
Kodwa uze wazi ukuthi uvusiwe,
pain must come.
kumele kuze ubuhlungu. Hey,
To know that you are dead,
ukwazi ukuthi ufile,
problems must come.
inkinga mele
And your heart must not be affected.
inhliziyo yakhe ingaphazamiseki.
Now you know him and the person.
Manje ke sowazi yena nalomuntu wobukhona bakhe. Ah,
It's active in the believers.
liyaphila kubazalwane.
The power of his resurrection.
Amandla okuvuswa kwakhe.
But many are unable to withdraw such
Kodwa
power.
abaningi bahluleka ukuqhakula ubuhlungu khona.
Many are unable to operate with this power.
Bahluleka ukusebenza ngalamandla.
But not that they don't have it, they have it.
Banawo. Hey,
But the problem, who wants to die?
inkinga
Who wants to be
ukuthi
buried?
ngubani ofuna ukufa
Who wants to remove the eye?
ngubani ofuna ukususa mina. Oh,
Who wants to remove the eye?
ngubani ofuna ukususa lo mina. Oh,
All of us here, as long as you are a Christian, you've got power in you.
kuphela nje mawunumzalwane amandla unawo.
But the problem, you don't know how to withdraw.
Inkinga wazi ukuthi
The overflowing resurrection power.
lokuphuphuma kwalamandla okuvuswa.
Now, Jesus, Mark 16,
uJesu ke kuMarko
he says
esishumi
they will pick up poisons.
uthi bazophatha ushevu
They will not die.
angeke
What
bafe.
happens?
Kwenzekeni?
Resurrection power.
Amandla
So they go to
okuvuswa
the point of death.
base baya esikhundleni
They touch
sokufa.
things that must kill them.
Bathinta izinto ekumele
To experience
babulale
the power.
ukuze bazane nalamandla. Oh,
To experience the power.
ukwazana nalamandla. Thank you Jesus.
You will never know if you carry such power or not unless you taste it.
Angeke uze wazi ukuthi lamandla unawo noma cha ngaphandle kokuthi wazwe.
Every believer, abaningi bayalo, hey abantu babo, but banamandla ukuthi bangafa bazi ngoba bazalwane. Now, Revelation chapter 3, your works are incomplete in my Father's sight.
Imsebenzi yena iphephe
You didn't
iphelele.
reveal power of resurrection.
Anivezanga amandla okuvuswa.
Nifezenetu ukuthi ngaye esiphambanweni. Where is the results of my cross, resurrection?
Iphi imphumela yesiphambano ukuvuswa.
Phela, if we preach about this death
Masishumayela ngokufa kwakhe
and resurrection power is not seen,
bese kungabonakala amandla okuvuswa.
we are actually saying he was not raised.
Ekahle kahle sichazanga avuswe. Oh,
So you can find yourself preaching,
ungasithola ushumayela.
but you are actually saying, Jesus, you were not raised. You
Uthi
died.
Jesu awuzange wavuswa. Ufile nje.
First sign,
uPaulo oqala.
ungafast uzova.
Oh,
Omunye waye entabeni wafasta wafa. Fear, bakufanele fear manje. Bo umuntu ofastayo. Was only told not that awukhona ukufasta. Where's the story ukuthi nomuntu wabulawa fasting?
eish.
That's where your death came.
Ila kuze khona ukufa kwakho.
That's where the land harmed you.
Ila
That's where the sea harmed you.
Ila ubeswalinyazwa khona ke manje.
That's where the sun harmed you.
nelanga likulimaza
That's where the
kanjalo.
day harmed you.
Nosuku lwakulimaza kanjalo.
And you lost the mark.
Wasulahlekelwa yilophawu.
Born servants of Jesus Christ.
Ngcekezelweyo kaJesu Kristu.
Born servants.
Awu,
They are
ingcebo.
bound to him.
Bahlangene naye.
They faced everything.
Babhekana nako konke.
Azange bahlukane naye.
Hey,
Yiqhu babambene so.
bahlangene.
Repeat, go on there.
And in that same way,
In that same way.
experience the power of his resurrection, which overflows and is active in believers.
Uthi kimi, uthi ebazalwaneni ikhona lento ya overflow.
Yeah.
But why is it only Paul who knows this mystery?
Kungani kuPaula yedwa wazi lemfihlo?
Why is it only Paul who says ngashaywa 40 times? Ngishaywa. Huh? Okay, go on, you'll hear.
And that I may share the fellowship.
Now you share what? fellowship.
hlanganyela naye ebudlelwaneni
Huh?
and that I may share the fellowship of his sufferings,
Hey, now in the suffering, it's fellowship.
kule inhlupheko ukuhlanganyela
So many friendship with Jesus, no fellowship in his suffering.
ayi
Friendship must pass through suffering.
ubumngani mele budlule
Friendship
ebuhluphekeni
must pass through pain,
ubumngani mele budlule ebuhlungwini
testings,
uvivinywe ayi
meaning carrying your own cross
lokho kusho ukuthi uthwale sakhe isiphambano
and follow him.
bese uyamlandela
Ushone kweyakhe iGolgotha.
ayi